Okay, I was recording and the mic wasn't on, but I'm still barefaced. So what I first started with is using this Clarity Lotion, you guys. This Clarity Lotion, it's amazing and it's all for all skin types. It is hydrating lotion, oil-free formula, minimizes the appearance of pores, keeping the complexion shine-free. And look at that. I feel like it's amazing as a primer, you know? And it's a lotion. I just love this. You guys really need to try this. I've been gravitating to this so much. And of course, after that, I applied my Lipsy. Oh my God, that's a good one. Lipsy. Hey, Pixi. It's my volumizing lip balm. It is enriched with botanical collagen. This volumizing and nourishing lip balm. It is really glossy. It is super moisturizing. When I apply it at night, I still have it in the morning. Even though I toss and turn, I still have it on and my lips are nice and moisturized. It is so good. So this is like a must-have. I cannot stress it enough. I love this product. You guys know how much I love this. So now, a new product that I am going to test out right now. Am I recording? Okay, I am. Sorry you guys, but we're working with this today. It is, wait, where is it? I have a whole galore here of Pixi. So it's this one. This is the On The Glow Base Foundation Moisture Stick. So it's not a full coverage or anything, since it's a moisture stick. It says it's a stick instantly perfects complexions and deeply hydrates with one swipe, a tinted moisturizer. So I grabbed the one in porcelain. It looked kind of darker on the screen, but now that I see it, it's a little lighter. But this is how it looks, how the packaging looks. So it does look really light. Let's see. Ooh, it is too light. It's too light, but let's see if I can work with it. So remember, it's a moisturizing stick. Okay, I do wish I would have got a different color. Really, really light. But it is moisturizing. You can even go like this and just apply it. So I'm gonna pass on this one, even though I love the whole concept, but it was my fault on grabbing a lighter shade. Let me just do my face behind scenes and then I'll come back. So that is it for my face. If you guys want to know what I applied, then watch my previous video. But there is this product for the brows, which is called the Brow Tamer, a clear brow gel. Here's how the packaging looks. And this one is a translucent one. How cute is this? This is so freaking little. So I always say that this is better to do as your first step, then your moisturizer and your foundation. I'm just gonna pick them up and let's see how they work together. It doesn't feel like it's getting hard or anything, so I'm just gonna feel them out real quick and then come back and show you guys. Building my brows and they are looking as natural as possible. The one thing I don't even know if they have is concealer. But you know what? Hey, since this didn't work on my skin, I mean it did work, but the color was like way off, I am going to apply it as a corrector for my lids, which it should work. So I'm just going to color correct. On to the new product from Pixi. Ta-da-da! Look at this one. It is their Ultimate Beauty Kit, the 7th edition Face Kit Visage. Oh wait, that's in French, Kit Visage. So it has 18 face shades and 20 eye shades. So, okay, let's see. I hope this video is not all over the place, but you guys know me. I have decided to self-diagnose with ADHD. Okay, look at this. How cute is that? Oh my God, it's a book. Oh, the blushes. My mom is gonna want this. She loves Pixi. She loves her blushes because they're not so overpowering. Oh my gosh, look at the eyeshadows. Look at how stinking beautiful is that? The eyeshadows for the face. These colors are just so pretty. They are so pretty. These are like all highlighters for the face. All the highlighters, the eyeshadows, and the blushes, and your bronzers. The bronzers. I seriously had a palette right here ready to use for the bronzers. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're gonna do a lavender makeup look because obviously it's spring and the beautiful flowers are blooming. Oh my god, these browns are gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna start off with, doesn't have no name, but we're gonna, this pretty brown right here. We're gonna start off with that one. Oh my goodness. Okay, this time they are pigmented. The last time I tried their eyeshadows were not pigmented. I was scraping. Okay, so we're just gonna apply this gently in a swiping motion, bringing it outwards. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the other brown that's next to it, same brush, just concentrating it on my outer corners. Just on the outer corner, bringing it outwards. Okay. It's looking, oh my god, Pixi, this is so good. It's so pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer, just a little bit of concealer onto the center part of my lid. Then I'm gonna blend it. I'm not even ready. I'm not ready for it with my stuff here, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm just going to pat that so I can add the purple here. And hopefully, I mean, that purple looks beautiful. So now the purple that I'm going to use is that one. It is so freaking pretty. Let me get close to you guys. Look at how beautiful is this purple. I'm gonna use a brush like this, a fluffy brush, just to see how it picks it up. And then, oh my god, perfect. Perfect lavender. And purple on brown eyes. It's so pretty. And it has a sheen to it. It's like a periwinkle purple. Is that a color? How pretty is that? That is so pretty. I hope they sell so many because this is actually a good palette. Okay, with this brush, I'm gonna grab a highlighter. I'm gonna grab the lightest shade and apply that to my inner corners just to bring a little bit of light. Every time I think of Pixi, I think of butterflies and Tinkerbell. It's just magical. How pretty is that? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply brown under my lash line. Okay, it looks a little smoky. That's how good this freaking eyeshadow is. So good. Okay, so now that I smoked out my bottom lash line, which I wasn't planning to, I'm gonna apply some concealer. This will not brighten up this area because it's like the same tone as my skin, but this is going to help to clean the outer edge. Another brush and just bring that upwards to make that nice and precise, and then pat it. Look at that. That is so pretty. And my brows are still not hard. Okay, so I'm gonna use a cream blush and then a powder blush. I love this blush, which is the ruby one. I freaking love it that this is a new one. It looks crazy, but it's not. Make sure you blend that and you don't want to see like any harsh lines. Take your time. I applied a setting powder behind the camera because I can't find my Pixi one. So now grabbing the little book, I'm going to be applying this blush. I feel like it's perfect for spring. Now for the bronzer, I'm going to grab this one right here. It's not as pigmented. Okay, I do have an eyeliner by Pixi, which is by, I think it was a collaboration with Wiley Hung. Hopefully I'm pronouncing her name right, but it looks like this. And it has two tips. It has the kohl liner and the felt tip liner, so. Onto my lashes, I have the Large Lash Mascara by Pixi in bold black. Let's see what I can get because, girl, it's so sad how I have tried so much, but like my lashes fell off more with that lash serum. I think for this look, I might have to wear falsies, but my lashes are not giving. Already lined my lips, and a product that I have from Pixi that I've been wanting to try it's the LipLift Max Sweet Nectar, or Nectar, I don't know how you say this, but it is a gloss, and I feel like this color will look really good. Ooh, it's So it's going to plump. I can smell the mint. Oh, it is a pretty color. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna spray my face now because you can see how blotchy it's looking right here. Why is it looking blotchy? Girl, I haven't done my makeup in a while, like a full face of makeup, so it's probably because of me. But this will fix it. So I'm going to be applying it's almost gone, the Makeup Fixing Mist Rose Water and Green Tea. You can apply this before your makeup or after your makeup, since it does have like rose water and green tea. So it will not set your makeup as good as Urban Decay, but it will do the job, okay? And it smells so good. Okay, where's my foundation brush? Now grabbing my foundation brush and just blending everything so it can look natural as possible. And the blotchiness went away, of course. This is like my #1 tip for everyone until it dries off. Okay, I had to add some lashes because the makeup look was not giving without my freaking crusty, dusty, no lashes. But I added some lashes, and now I'm going to use the Handhero, which, girl, this is a limited edition. It reminds me of the Chanel one, but girl, that much money for a Chanel, that much money for a lotion? No, girl, no. But this one is their limited edition Handhero lotion. The way that it smells, the smell is just so calming to me. Like if I'm having a panic attack, I'm popping this beauty. Look at how cute it is. It's so aesthetically, but it is, I think it's strong. Just a little bit you need. Whew. It's rosemary oil, tea tree oil, ceramide, and then the other one's not in English, but it's natural antioxidants, provides purifying properties of tea tree, and the ceramide provides moisturizing properties, a purifying hand lotion. It just reminds me of lavender, but I'm guessing it's the tea tree that is super, super strong, but it works really good. And the cute size is perfect for your pockets or your purse, but it is so freaking, it's so good. Love the smell. Here is the final look, you guys. I love it. Pixi, you did such an amazing job with that palette. It is really pigmented, easy to work with, easy to blend with. I freaking love it. I just need to get another color instead of porcelain, so I will be hopefully I get to try a different color than porcelain. But other than that, girl, this look is so pretty. Perfect for the spring. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up right now. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys love this video. I'm sorry if I talked a lot. I'm not even done with my coffee and I've been talking a lot today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good night, a beautiful morning, whatever time it is in your place. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.